Good morning people, it's Monday, it's 11 minutes past 11 and I've been here for quite a bit because I've been doing some commando gardening. I've decided to put maybe an hour a day into sorting some mess out at this end of the garden. I've got a lot of stuff stacked under there that really wants turfing out or putting into use. It's mainly firewood. I don't know whether it'll be any good or not because it's been under a sheet, but it's probably got all damp. It might dry out. But also there's other stuff. I'll take you up there and show you. Here we go. Oh look, rubbish. The jacks for the loop. And there we are. We've made a difference. That's the sheet with the firewood under it. And what was going back to nature, I think you'll agree, is now a complete mess. I've got my ladder out, anyway, I've got my tall ladder out and I've got that on top of the wall. And I've taken out two trees that were going to grow up there and threaten the wall, so they've gone now. But other than that, it's just a matter of deciding what to do with all this stuff. This is the remnants of the early workshop build. There was a massive tree in here, a really big tree, which some idiot had planted behind the wall. I won't tell you which idiot it was, but there you go. And it had pushed this wall over, so I had all this wall to take out and this corner here, as you can probably see, to rebuild. But I did it as usual. And then I cleared all this area, cut it all back, repaired the wall at the front where there was actually no wall at all and all the soil was falling down, shoveled all the soil back and generally tidied it up. Hello again people, it's still Monday, it's 3 o'clock and I've just about got it finished. I think we're about ready for some pop rivets now. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put a pop rivet in there, a couple of pop rivets in there, just from that to that, same at that side. Then I can take the scoop off and I can bash all this rusty paint off. So, but there she is, she fits. And very nicely. Just that bit uncovered there, I'll have to put a bit of gob in there. But a bit of body filler. I'll gob it up. But other than that, it looks good, and I do keep reminding myself it's only a bloody tractor. So I just can't budge. I just like doing things. I like things to be nice and neat and clean and painted, and not rusty and grotty and dirty to work on. There you go. Right, I shall crack on, but first, it's 3 o'clock and I'm going to have a brew. Bye now. Folks, the brew's on the go, and I've got some rivets in. So there she is. So now it's time for the filthy job of taking the all the rusty paint off and the nastiness off and get it ready to put together and put some paint on. Okay, bring you back later if I get any more done that's interesting. Bye now. And there we go folks. Friday. It's about 4:30. No it's not, it's about 4:45, just gone. And we've bashed all the scabby paint and the rust off it. So there you go. Doesn't that look well? Let's hope it goes as well as it looks. That will pull down to there. That's just needs the final bend, but doesn't that look nice, eh? That's going to be good. It's going to be good. I like it. Bit of filler in there where somebody rammed it into something. This is before we got it. Bit of filler around there, and I think that's about it. Oh, a bit round there as well. And that'll do the job. Some pop rivets and some paint. Right, that's it for today folks. Monday's over. I'll see you all tomorrow. What I've been advised to do is to, instead of having one video a week, is to do one up to Wednesday and then one Thursday, Friday, right? So there'll be a release on Wednesday and there'll be a release on Saturday. A release, that sounds good, doesn't it? That sounds like almost there might be some decent content in it. Never mind. That's what I'm going to do from now on, just to see how it works. Okay, people. See you all tomorrow. Bye now. Good morning, folks. It's Wednesday, owing to the fact that I forgot I was taking my daughter back to uni yesterday, and I didn't get anything else done. So that's the finish of the commando gardening for now. This is all that remains of the wood, which is set into drying out mode. And I've had a sweep up and a tidy round, and it all looks a lot better apart from that. And I've been round and put the gob on the bonnet ready for a quick flat off, and then we'll assemble it and get some paint on it. But I'm thinking if I'm painting, I may as well get them shelves knocked down and cleaned up as well, and we'll have them painted at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do next, is knock those shelves down. This has gone off, but it's not quite hard enough yet, so I'm going to give it, I'll probably take it outside, stick it in the sun actually, let it get really warmed up, and then we can get it done. Right, it looks alright. It's beginning to look pucker again, instead of a battered old, rusty old, kicked about bonnet. Bye now. Yeah, people, it's just gone 4 o'clock. I've got most of it done. I've just had to belt off up to Mother's to put a new washer in the toilet system, which she thought was she thought it was the soil pipe leaking, but it was actually water from the overflow dripping onto the soil pipe and then dripping off the bottom of it. So that's cured. Another job done, and I'm now torn. Do I finish the shelves or do I cut the grass? Because it's beautifully and sunny outside, and I could just, that grass is just ready for a cut. I think I might do that first thing tomorrow when I've got some energy. That sounds good. I'll carry on with these shelves. Right, that's it, folks. This is going to go out on Wednesday night. That is tonight. And I'll do another one Saturday afternoon about 4 o'clock like I normally do, which covers the rest of the week. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, get the button pressed, subscribe, because it doesn't cost anything. You don't ever have to watch one of my videos again, but it makes a difference to me. So, right, I'll see you later on. Bye now.